Have you ever opened your banking app and wondered, I didn't even spend that much, so where did my money go? It's a familiar feeling for many of us. You work hard, you earn your paycheck, and you try to be careful with your spending. Yet somehow saving money feels nearly impossible. It's not about laziness, and it's certainly not about bad math. There's something else at play, something subtle that makes your money slip away almost unnoticed. Start with the invisible leaks. Money rarely disappears because of one big mistake. Instead, it leaks out quietly, almost like water dripping from a tiny crack. Think about those small recurring expenses, subscriptions to streaming services, convenience fees, automatic renewals, and the slow rise in everyday prices. Each one feels minor, almost harmless, but together they quietly drain your income, leaving you with less than you expected at the end of the month. Consider how many subscriptions you have: music, video apps, even newsletters. Each one might only cost a few dollars, but together they can quietly eat away at your budget. Because these payments are automatic, you rarely notice them leaving your account. Over time, these small amounts accumulate, becoming a significant part of your monthly expenses without you even realizing it. Convenience fees are another invisible leak. Whether it's a delivery fee for your favorite meal or a small charge for paying a bill online, these costs seem trivial, but they add up quickly, especially when they become part of your routine. The more you rely on convenience, the more these little fees quietly chip away at your savings, often without you noticing. Modern life is designed for comfort. With just a few taps, you can order food, buy clothes, or subscribe to a new service. This convenience removes friction from spending. When it's so easy to spend, you become less aware of each transaction. It's not that you're careless, it's just that the process is almost invisible. This disconnection makes it easy for money to slip away without you realizing how much you're actually spending. Think about how often you use one-click purchases or automatic payments. These features are designed to make your life easier, but they also make it harder to keep track of your spending. When you don't have to think about each purchase, you lose awareness of where your money is going. Over time, these invisible transactions can add up to a significant amount. When spending becomes invisible, you become disconnected from your finances. You might not even remember making certain purchases because the process is so seamless. This lack of awareness isn't your fault, it's a result of how modern technology is designed. The easier it is to spend, the harder it is to keep track, and the more likely you are to lose money without realizing it. Now let's talk about the paycheck illusion. As your income grows, it's natural to upgrade your lifestyle, maybe a better phone, a slightly higher rent, or more frequent takeout. These changes are usually small and feel justified, but costs often rise faster than your salary. Even as you earn more, your margin, the amount you can actually save, doesn't seem to grow. This phenomenon is called lifestyle creep. As you earn more, you naturally spend more, often without realizing it. Maybe you move to a nicer apartment, buy a new gadget, or eat out more often. These upgrades feel small, but they add up. Over time, your expenses rise to match your income, making it difficult to save no matter how much you earn. Silent upgrades are everywhere. Maybe you start buying better coffee or you upgrade your streaming service. Each change is small, but together they can significantly increase your monthly expenses. Because these upgrades happen gradually, you might not notice how much more you're spending until you look back and see how your costs have grown over time. Even as your salary increases, the cost of living often rises even faster. Rent, groceries, transportation, and other essentials can all become more expensive over time. If your expenses are growing faster than your income, it's no wonder saving feels impossible. This isn't a personal failure, it's a common challenge in today's world. It's easy to feel frustrated when you're doing everything right but still not making progress. You're working hard, being careful, and trying to save, yet your bank balance doesn't seem to reflect your efforts. The problem isn't your effort, it's a lack of clarity about where your money is actually going. Most people don't have a clear picture of their spending. Without clarity, it's hard to make changes or feel in control. You might track big expenses, but it's the small, frequent ones that often go unnoticed. Gaining clarity is the first step to taking control of your finances and stopping the leaks. Progress with money can feel invisible, especially when you're focused on the big picture. It's easy to overlook the small wins, like canceling an unused subscription or cooking at home instead of ordering out. These small changes add up over time, even if they don't feel significant in the moment. If you feel like your money disappears without reason, you're not alone. Many people experience the same frustration. The systems around us are designed to make spending easy and saving hard. Recognizing this is the first step toward making positive changes and feeling more in control of your finances. Awareness is the key to stopping money leaks. When you start paying attention to the small, recurring expenses and the invisible upgrades, you gain the power to make better choices. It's not about cutting out everything you enjoy, it's about understanding where your money goes and making intentional decisions. Building new habits around money doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, review your subscriptions, check your automatic payments, and set reminders for upcoming bills. Over time, these habits will help you regain control and stop your money from disappearing without explanation. If you want clear, simple explanations about money without hype or guilt, this channel is here to help. Our goal is to give you the knowledge and confidence to keep more of what you earn so you can make the most of your hard work. Remember, money doesn't disappear all at once. It disappears quietly through small, almost invisible leaks. Once you start to see these patterns, you can stop losing money without even knowing why. Awareness and small changes can make a big difference over time. When you recognize the patterns in your spending, you gain the ability to make changes that last. It's not about making drastic cuts or feeling deprived. It's about seeing clearly, making informed choices, and gradually building a stronger financial foundation. You have the power to take control of your finances. By understanding where your money goes and making small, intentional changes, you can stop the leaks and start saving more. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every step you take brings you closer to financial peace of mind.